MindTouch for Salesforce Service Cloud is a fully integrated Lightning and Classic compatible integration that allows agents to search and navigate the knowledge management platform, use customer insights to proactively resolve interactions, and attach articles to customer records in Salesforce. MindTouch for Salesforce sits within the Service Cloud experience. Using single sign-on, it delivers only the content the agent needs based on their role to ensure they're able to answer questions effectively. Within the MindTouch tab, agents can view customer insights, showing them what content the customer has already viewed, searched for, and clicked on while on the self-service site prior to initiating an interaction. In the Search tab, MindTouch automatically passes the case subject line to the search bar and lists articles related to that term. If needed, the agent can further refine the search by document type, category, or conduct their own search. While searching, agents can quickly preview an article's summary or use the View tab to see the article in full. Once an agent finds the right article, they can save that article to the customer record in Salesforce using Link to Case. Link to Case copies the article so the agent can quickly send it to the customer, allows other agents to resolve similar cases, and helps organizations track article usage and identify any content gaps. If needed, the agent can also leverage click navigation for a full MindTouch site experience. All of this can be done without having to leave Service Cloud, helping agents save time and serve customers more efficiently.